So today, again, we're going to be fixing this axle. I have left it in the sun rusting because I could not use my shave to pull it out. So using this super old thing, cut it. Now we can cut it. Okay, there's some difficulties in this one change. Now we're trying a brand new version.
A few minutes later.
So my little contraption is this. Put that so I don't break my hand. This is about nearly 1,000 degrees. You guys put your closest estimate. All that rustiness, I burnt to the loft. I'll let you guys know when I've done this. In case you enjoyed that video, I'll show you what it looks like in real life. We wouldn't give it a nice handle, and look at this. Don't worry, we're not killing this tree. It doesn't even make cherries.
You stupid.
We didn't get to finish it last time. I am going to be fixing this.